Hey everybody, I'm Ross. This is Jamie from Tait Real Estate, Realty Executive in Saskatoon. Welcome to Thirsty Thursday. What have we got today, Jamie? This looks like a winner.
Today's drink's called Beach Water. The Beach Water. Our expectations are not as high as some, but we're just gonna make it because we're doing a full meal of all cocktails.
I think in the last couple of weeks we've done a couple that were really high expectations and they were really good. So we got to get a full spectrum.
Okay, so it's just gonna be a splash of everything here. So we're gonna go with the Malibu Coconut Rum. Gonna go with a little splash of that, probably around an ounce.
Okay. Coconut rum.
Go an ounce of Blue Curacao.
Okay.
Half an ounce. Really,
That looks pretty.
really appetizing here.
And then top it
More sugar. We're gonna put more sugar on top.
with
Sprite.
3 layers of sugar. Sugar, sugar, and sugar.
Perfect.
If only we had a maraschino cherry, that would top it off.
There we go.
Okay. Let's
Wow.
give the beach water a shot.
Very blue.
We didn't make this up either. This was actually in one of the books that we have, the Bartender's Bible. Oh man, it got me even before I tasted it. I could smell the coconut rum and it's like, oh,
It kind of tastes like the scent of sunscreen. If you like that, give it a shot.
I'm already attracted to it.
Well, it reminds me of vacation, I guess.
It's like living a cruise just by drinking it. No, I've had enough of that.